Welcome back, you awesome people. In this episode, we are going to unbox something cheapest. So, the cheapest Bluetooth headphone. This one is that, and this is from the brand Clef. It is the model of N100BT. So, in the market, I think this one is the cheapest Bluetooth headphone right now. It costs about 400 bucks, and let us unbox it and see
what are included in it.
So also there is a hologram in this cover. Uh, there are some features
Written.
over here, and uh, yeah, and here they have included some things like what all the package includes and all those things. Oh,
Here's the beauty.
it also comes with a pouch. This is not a type of like a neckband or something. This is actually good, and it is flexible around any angle. So this one adds advantage. Let us keep this side and see what is there in the pouch. All those things aside, some extra pack of ear tips, a USB cable, and a clip. Here is the user manual, and
It covers a lot about the product usage.
along with the ear tips, we also get something fantastic, and they call it as the wire adjuster. So this is how you should use this. Yeah.
This helps you in making things handy.
And now it's time for a technical deep dive. So what does the Cliff offers you for just 399 rupees? This headphone is wet and water resistant. Please note, this is water resistant and not waterproof. To say about build, this headphone is completely of plastic. The earbuds are also feels very good. They are so comfortable as well. Since this is a lightweight headphone and weighs about only 56 grams, it doesn't even gives you a feel of that you are carrying something around with you. As usual, this headphone is also comes with an inbuilt microphone in it.
Something that surprised me is that this headphone comes with a driver unit size of 10 mm, which is fantastic and is also a best reason to buy this Bluetooth headphone. Since 10 mm driver is used, you can also expect a good bass as well.
As per my usage, the bass and voice clarity is pretty decent. On a scale of 10, I would definitely give 7.5 without considering the price point. But with considering the price point, I will definitely give 9 out of 10. This is because when a decent Bluetooth headphone costs about 1000 rupees, it costs only 399 and is able to compete with products which are 2x times costlier than this. There are 3 buttons comes with this headphone. These are so handy and also helps in getting a smoother experience. Out of the 3 buttons, 2 are used for volume up and down operations, and the rest one is a multifunctional button which is used to power on and off and also to call, connect and disconnect.
With the Bluetooth version of 4.2, this device has a good range. As per the specifications, they have given that this device can cover up to 10 meters, and I also do felt the same, and it is a good range. Battery life is also good and satisfying. With a few minutes of charging, you can use this device for a longer time. Since the battery is only 80 mAh, it doesn't take too long to get charged. Finally, we came to a point on discussing value for money. Considering the price point and the performance, this headphone gives you more than what you have spent. Why I am saying this because even my wired headphone costed me around 450 rupees, but this one is lesser than that and is also wireless. This makes sense, right?
I have given the product link in the description. Like this video if you like it. Don't be shy to dislike this video if you don't like it. Only if you don't like it. Comment your views about this product and also about my review as well. Share with your friends, and also in the meantime don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you and see you soon in the next video.